Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? This is all about composition. Now, this is going to last way more than 2 minutes, you may be thinking, and you are right, composition is a huge subject. So we're just going to have a little quick look at 2 common compositional mistakes and how to fix them. So this is our example that we're going to change, and we'll notice that we've got nothing leading our eye into the picture. We have this path, but it's kind of coming back out again, which isn't great for a composition. We also have this area here, which seems to be having lots of lines converging. That's called a starburst effect. Our eye, again, doesn't know what it's looking at. There's no focal point. None of these lines are leading anywhere specific. So let's go about fixing that right now. Follow me. Okay, so let's fix this composition. Our path at the moment takes our eye out of our picture, and we don't really want that. So the great thing about sketching and charcoal is you can amend your composition. So I'm just going to change this path so that it moves round and takes our eye through and into the picture. Now we still have this starburst effect where all our lines are converging and our eyes don't know where to go. So I'm just going to smooth that edge out so that it looks like my path is going into the center there, and I'm going to move the edge of this mountain. So I'm just basically going to change my viewpoint. So I'm going to have this as a knoll, which maybe drops down here. So we've got some nice shapes that aren't the same, no matchy here. And we're just going to take that path round the corner, and I'm going to move my tree to the edge here, simply because then we've got something that bounds our composition and keeps our eye in the picture. So next time you sketch a landscape, have a think about the composition and how it works. More tips and hints and all the things, head over to the Smart Art Academy. I've got a foundations course which might just be the thing for you. Check out the comments, and I'll see you again on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.